Okay, so we completed test 5. Now let's go to test 6. So in test 6 we can try to fetch group values from the OpenDJ. Okay, so for now what, let's do one thing. Let's remove the composite adapter from here. Now let me just go to selector and I'll get the value, exact value for the OpenDJ. Let me go to selector 3 EPS, and then we have the value for the HTML form OpenDJ. So I'll just quick copy this and I'll map in the Salesforce application. Okay, so these are this basically that policy is going to trigger, and in the policy, yeah, the HTML form OpenDJ will come. Okay, so I'll click on edit and I'll quickly update here. Click on update. Yeah, like I'll just tell you the advantage of this extended property also. Not right now. Like let's just understand first the PingFederate different options and all, and maybe yeah, later I'll just discuss a very important thing on this extended property authentication selector, how it making our life easy. This same like how APC and fragments helping, in the similar way extended property is really helping a lot. We can see, I'll just discuss with you, not right now. Okay, so yeah, we have it saved, right? It looks, I think, yeah, HTML form OpenDJ, it's saved, and it looks the cluster is automatically replicated. Yeah, it looks okay, fine. Now let's quickly test the, we are just trying to test the group part, right? So let's open the Salesforce, and I think we have a value for the groups or not. Let's first check that. Okay, there is no any group value, so first let's define that. So I'll just say here with the groups, I'll put it, and let's put here like the same SAML 2.0 attribute format unspecified. Click on add and then go to next. Open this APC, then go to attribute contract fulfillment, then you have the APC, and then define here like a groups and save it. Okay, so this is done now. Okay, change is automatically replicated also. So now in the connection we updated that APC and we have defined the value. Now how APC is getting the value, we know, right? So let's go to policy section now. In policy we have, this is the policy it's using. So for HTML form OpenDJ we have the fragment one OpenDJ defined, correct? So you can expand it also. Yeah, now we just need to go there to understand exactly what is happening, because in the contract mapping of this, it's just we are getting the value from the fragment only, as you can see. So to understand exactly how the value is coming, we need to go to fragment 1 OpenDJ, and fragment 1 OpenDJ we haven't defined any attribute, so it's basically how it's getting from the adapter. So let's finally go to adapter only, and then just check our HTML form OpenDJ and see how the things are configured. So we have I think defined the attribute contract as a group. If not, then we can extend that. So let's extend this groups. Okay, click on add, go to next, go to next, and you have the adapter contract mapping. Go there, and then you can see we have the attribute ODSV defined, correct? So now let's click on LDAP directory search, and then we need to bring that value in our this attribute list. So just click on show all attributes. So basically now we are basically getting from the value from the data store, that is basically nothing but a OpenDJ directory server. So here just search for isMemberOf. So you can see isMemberOf, that's basically going to give you the group part of the user. Let's click on add attribute. It's added, right? Yeah. Now go to next. Filter is fine, UID equal to $username, this is fine. Go to next, go to done, and now we need to go to the attribute contract fulfillment, adapter contract fulfillment, sorry. There if you can just see the group part, so we have adapter, so let's select that to LDAP ODS and choose here isMemberOf. Okay, policy.action is no action, no membering. Okay, so now we just updated our adapter. Now it basically linked to the like a fragment, and yeah, it can just bring that value. So go to next, and you can save it. So the main thing is like we just made a change in our adapter. Now if you can just go and check the fragment of OpenDJ. Let me show you the fragment of fragment fragment 1 OpenDJ. Yeah, this is the one. Open this. Okay, it says that fragment 3 composite has errors. Please edit the fragment. Okay, I'll check that later. So yeah, here we have the policy HTML from OpenDJ, and here we have the contract mapping. So let's open this contract mapping. So okay, so here we define from the adapter only, right, in the fragment section, like groups from the adapter and all those things. Groups we made as a no mapping, so we need to update here also. So let's put as a adapter HTML from OpenDJ, and you can put the value as a groups, because that we defined under adapter, so you need to define here also. Okay, this we are doing in the adapter in the fragment section. Now let's check one more thing. Let this to be saved first. Okay, now let's go to, let this to come, page to load. Yeah, let's go to policy section, and then open that policy that basically going to trigger this request. That is, I think, EPAS policy 3 EPAS. Open this. Now here if you can, okay, is it opening? Not sure, it's too slow. Okay, resume. Okay, it's open. So here you can see if we have the HTML form OpenDJ, just expand this, and then I just want to see the contract mapping of this fragment here. It's too slow, I'm not sure what is going wrong. Okay, yeah, so here we have the contract mapping for this HTML from OpenDJ. Let's see this, how we configure this. So I just want to verify the groups part. Okay, so groups, I think, yeah, we are basically getting from the fragment, I think, as a source, and in the fragment section we already defined the correct adapter. Basically we just remove that no mapping and just updated the adapter value, because in the adapter section, the main place where we already updated that, the group thing. Okay, so this looks fine. Okay, let's go for the cluster management then. Okay, it's done. Now let's time to test. So quickly just copy this SP initiated SSO URL only, and just go here. You'll get HTML form login page for the from the OpenDJ. Let's put here Abhishek Arts 211 ID. Okay, that ID we have created. I think yeah, this is the one. Password is also same. Okay, so let's use this. Put it ID and password. So the authentication, it can just give us the response, and in the response, like, yeah, like we can just see that group part. Other part we have already seen, that's fine. We just want to test the group thing here. So we are landing to the home as this user have the system administrator account in the Salesforce. I think we already discussed. Let's open the tracer, and okay, where is the SAML response? This is a request, I think. Let me scroll down. Yeah, here we have the SAML response. Yeah, now let's go to SAML tab, and then we can see the group thing. Okay, so just go to summary thing to, yeah, so here you can see the subject is already first name, phone number, email, last name is already there. Now you can see the groups. In the groups we are getting cn equals to PingFederate trainer OU people DC example DC com. So basically this is the DN of the group, distinguished name of the group. So this Abhishek Arts 211, this user is part of this group, and we are currently fetching the group DN, that is distinguished name of the group. That's why you can see the complete thing like cn equals to PingFederate trainer OU people DC example DC com. Using ordinal expression that we can discuss later, we can see how we can customize this, and we can bring maybe just the common name, or if we can see that how we can just tweak this, or how we can just write a ordinal code and just customize this. But for now, just in this session we are just talking that we have just updated that attribute in the adapter section. We have updated that isMemberOf value in the data store section, and basically we updated the fragment and our policy, and in the connection we defined under that APC PingFederate learning, correct. So this is done, and this is good. Now let's move to the next session. If you have any question, please put in the comment section. Thank you.